Hey, my name is Tonie Huizer and I would like to invite you to the Fast Data Community Summit. It will be held this November 2021 and the good thing is it's completely free, so go to the website and get your tickets. And there are a lot of interesting speakers. If you want to know something about, no, not whiskey, something about cloning your own database, cloning for using disposable databases in your DevOps process, go to my session because I am gonna teach you how to create your own database cloning service with absolutely no cost. So, are you on a tight budget? Don't you have any license for fancy cloning tools? Go to my session and together we're gonna build our own do-it-yourself cloning service. So, go to the FAST website, get your ticket, and I'll see you in my session.